Alright, so in this video we'll be discussing what are funnels. And actually funnels are really cool way to convert and achieve your goals, and which is basically the idea of any business. So that's why we have this video, and below it you'll be able to access the other mini course which is all about funnels themselves. They're very simple concept. They're just like the website, but with a few differences, and I'll just show you what are these differences in this quick video. So basically, what are the benefits of a funnel is they have a clear goal. So they're for a specific thing, where a website, again, you can have a specific goal, but it can be a bit broad and people can go to different places, and I'll show you in a moment about that. So the benefits about the funnels are also that they don't have distractions, that you can do A/B testing of your pages. And you might ask, why would I want to do A/B testing? Because sometimes you're not certain about what kind of messaging and a page might convert more of your visitors to actually take an action. And this can have a great impact. Maybe changing a few texts, images, or something like that can impact and convert 2 or 3 times better than before. And you wouldn't know if you didn't test it out. So I'll show you how simple that is and how you can use it for your website as well, or for your next campaign in general. So what is a funnel and what is the difference? A funnel is basically pages, more than two or more, connected together with a specific goal. That's it, just like a website. But what is the actual difference? And here I think it's a very good representation of that. So the website, as you know, you have a homepage. On that homepage you have navigation, which we discussed, which you can go and find the information that you're looking for. Great, that's the idea of a website, to navigate people to different places, and of course to have a call to action to ask people to take that specific action. But you also have these different ways to basically to make it like a tree. People can go different places. And that's because that's the idea of a website, for people to find the information and take some action. But that's not very narrow for a specific goal, because people can get distracted and go to different places. Where the funnel is the kind of the opposite. It's all about a landing page where people are going, let's say a home page, and they don't have any distractions. The only way to progress is to actually go to the next step. They cannot go to another page which is not part of the flow. Basically, they go to the next step, which can be a checkout. Well, it depends on what funnel it is. If it's a lead generation, in our case with the hairdressing, it can be our booking page. So the first page would be, talking about the service, then the booking page, and then the thank you page, for example, as a simple 2-3 step funnel. And you don't have any distractions, so you cannot go to other pages and all these things. That's why this type of funnels are converting so well for sales, for lead generation, because they all focus on that goal, and that's it. No distraction, no tens of pages, just the flow that you're looking for. And that's why they convert very well. So let me show you how simple it is to actually use them. We are now back inside our website. So where you can access the funnels, you might have seen this funnel button. You can also access it from here as well. So when you click on it, you can create your first funnel, and let's do that. It's really simple. So let's identify first of all what is our goal again. What are we trying to do? And for our business, this one, we can do many different things. Maybe you want to sell, let's say, some program, some kind of a promotion that you're doing. So you want to sell that package, a discounted one, and you have a limited amount, for example. Or you want to sell a few of your products. You don't want to have a whole e-commerce store, but you sell some of those products. Or to just test out for an appointment again. You can do it the same way. So let's start with the appointments. I think it's good because we already discussed about booking appointments. So you can click on lead generation, and there you can see a lot of different designs for generating leads. And we have great templates as well. Again, you can pick whatever you want, and basically they come with different steps inside of it. And I don't know, it doesn't matter which one we choose because this is just an example for that, but let's say this one for a booking. You can preview the funnel and you can see how many steps you have inside. And this particular one is just 2 steps. It's the landing page and the booking page. So we can just click on add funnel, add a name to it. Let's call it funnel name, okay, and just create it. So by default, when we create a funnel, it will come, it will basically be just a website. It will have its own everything, SEO, its own steps, its own everything. You can also connect a custom domain to it. But in our case, so yeah, well, let's just look at it into like this. As you can see, it doesn't come with any heading, with any header, with navigation, because the idea is in this page to just talk about, to convince people to click and take the action. That's it. No distractions, no going to other pages. So you display everything on that page as a sales pitch to take and urge people to take the action. So we have again the headline, the call to actions, information about the business, why you should, book a meeting, for example, or in this case, request a demo call, social proof with a testimonial, some of the benefits of using the service, for example, and again, finishing with a call to action. A very simple page, a very simple landing page, but all the call to actions are going directly to the next step. And you can click and go to the next one where you can find the next step. And actually it is the second step of our funnel. You can again access it from here. And you can see basically the steps and how people would be progressing from step 1 to step 2. If we have step 3 as well, you can go there. And basically, yeah, here it is. You have the booking and appointments event. And that's all. That's a very simple funnel, but it works so well because it is all focused towards that goal. And you can have it completely separate if it's just for your business, and that's all you need, just a landing page with a call to action, which most businesses might just need, not a whole website. And we'll be talking in the whole mini course for the funnels, the videos there, why it can replace a website in some cases. But how do you actually use this page inside an existing website that we have? Because we want to have this set up inside our website, because we already have a website, but you want to create a few funnels inside. So when you click here in this button where your funnels are, you now have the 3 dots and you have the option to move to a website in this project. So when you click on it, you can now select the website that you have, which should be one of our 2 websites. I don't know which one it should be, but should be probably this one. No, actually it is the other one, so we can move it actually to another website. Let's just put it outside, and now we are going to move it to the correct one, to the upper website, because we didn't add any name. That's why we get confused. So now this is inside our hairdresser website. It is using everything, the CRM and everything from this website. They all share every aspect the same way. And basically we have these 2 pages inside of our website, just like normal 2 pages. The only difference is it is in a funnel format. Basically you have this cool view and you have the ability to split test this page and any step actually inside your funnel. And if you want to test out your page with different headlines, different things, you can simply do it from here and do an A/B testing. Duplicate the page, and now you have an A and B version of your page, which allows you to basically go to the B version and modify it. It's very, very simple, yet so powerful. And why would I need such page? Basically, you can create such funnels inside your website, and you can have them in like a folder like this, which are focusing towards a specific goal. You want to basically to have a page, let's say this page, you want it to be a page that you want to share with people for taking a specific action. You can simply remove the hide the header so that they don't have any distractions. So you can just go on the header and just hide it. And you can do the same things for the footer, because we said that the idea here is not to distract them. So there is no way to go outside of this flow of these two pages, the landing and the booking page, because all you want is people to just land here, learn about your service and product, and go to the next step to book an appointment. And again, here we just can create the event, and we can again hide the header, hide the footer, and that's it. We just added a funnel inside our website, and the idea is that you can now start sharing this funnel, and you can A/B test, split test, and see how it actually converts people to actual customers, actual booking events, because you can see how many people has visited, how many people clicked on the button and went to the next step, and then from there you can easily track how many people are actually submitted the booking form. It's so powerful, and it's yet so simple. As you can see, there is nothing hard about it, but it is very, very unique way to convert more of your visitors. And again, if you want to learn more about funnels, we have a whole mini series, so just click below this video on the button and you go into the mini series for the funnels, where we'll go into more details about the statistics and different ways. But this is how simple it is. You can do it. And just to finish with the funnels in the websites, you can also do the same thing for your homepage. So you can basically have your homepage to be part of a funnel, so that you can split test your homepage very easy. Basically, you can just make this page your homepage. So from going to the funnel settings, you can just make it as a homepage. And now, this is just for the example. Basically, now our homepage is this page, to which you can of course add your header and footer, because you would need it for being a website. But now we have a split test homepage. Yeah, so you can, I mean, this is a new page that we've just added, but it's simple as that. You have this new homepage, you can say, of your website that can be split tested, and you can see how many people of these people are converting to your booking page. If we wanted to do it with the old homepage, that's completely fine. You can just move your page, which was this homepage. You can just move it inside your funnel, which is only one, and just like that, you have this old homepage to be your new homepage for the funnel. We can just delete this one. And that's it. Now we have our homepage, the old homepage that we've built, to be part of this new funnel. And you have now the ability to split test it. Again, this homepage, you can just split test out different things and see how many people are actually going to the booking, and see which one of the two versions that you made for your homepage with the better one. This can have such a big impact for your website. This is of course, you can start without the funnels, and later on, if you want to test out different things, to just do it with the funnel inside. But it is simple as that. And again, you can test it out. You don't have to do it right away, but later on I think it will be an awesome way to, even if you don't do it for your homepage, to when you're doing any promotions, when you're doing any ways to to get people to take an action by sending them to a landing page with a few pages connected. That's just the best way to convert people. I hope that you enjoyed. Again, if you want to learn more, click below on the button and you'll be getting into the funnel portion of the course, where we'll be discussing more about funnels, how amazing they are, and different things that you can do with them. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and talk to you in the next one.